Welcome to the Chiefs Arena. It's match preview time. We are back. The international break is finally over. A much needed international break. We were falling apart before the international break. Results were not coming. The performance was declining, so we really needed this international break. And I hope we made good use of it. Cedric Kaze and Khalil Ben Yusuf's reign starts right now. So yeah, I may be against this appointment, but I'm a Kaizer Chiefs fan, so I will have to support them. I'll have to give them all the backing. Good news is everyone is fit. Everyone is fit. Of course, we only had only two players out on international duty. Tutuzi Shabalala, who made his Bafana Bafana debut, and Fiasre Ntwari, who had an absolute stinker against Bafana Bafana, which helped us qualify for the FIFA World Cup. But yeah, everyone is fit, but of course, only a certain number of players can make the match day squad. Unfortunately, not everyone is going to make the match day squad. So this is the traveling squad. Goalkeepers, Brendan Peterson, Fiasre Ntwari, and Bruce Vuma. Defenders, Zicha Kwinika, Inacio Miguel, Eden McCarthy, Bradley Cross, Dylan Solomons, and Riff Rosler. Midfielders, Lebohang Mabue, Thabo Cele, Siphelisihle Ndlovu, Sibongiseni Mthethwa, Augustine Sirino, Nkosiniphile Ngcobo, Mduduzi Shabalala, Mfundo Vilakazi. Forwards, Pule Modi, Hlodi Lilepo, Khanyisa Mayo, Wandile Duba, and Ashley Dupree. So I think it's good to see Lebo Maboe on the traveling squad. I just hope he's going to get some game time. He's a very, very good player. I think he's going to be a great addition to our team. For me, he's a starter. But this is the predicted starting 11. I've gone with Brendan Peterson in goals, of course. Fiasre Ntwari played in the last game, but it was just a rotation. So Brendan Peterson is going back. On the right, Dylan Solomon's going to go back. He's been playing well since he came back. He's grabbed this opportunity with both hands. He's going to go back there surely. On the left, Bradley Cross, of course. Kanyiso Shinga is fit. His training didn't make the traveling squad. I didn't see Paseka Marco in training, so I don't know whether he's injured or what. Because I've never even heard reports about him being injured, so I don't know what's going on with Paseka Marco. Center back pairing, the same, Zicha Kwinika and Inacio Miguel. I think Zicha Kwinika has been playing really well. He also prepped his chance with both hands. So yeah, they are going to go back in the middle of the park. Sibongiseni Mthethwa, obviously. Um, just like many all other games this season, this guy probably has played the most minutes, um, more than any infield player at Kaizer Chiefs. I'd like to think so. Probably maybe Miguel has played more minutes than him, but I think he's second. And he's been improving. Sorry, he's been improving. Off the ball, he has been fantastic, but on the ball, still some question marks, still a lot of things to improve. Then he's going to play alongside Thabo Cele. Thabo Cele is going to go back to the starting 11. The last two games he didn't start, but he came on second half, and he's been coming against Stellenbosch. He came right on the second half, and against Amazulu, I think on the 50 something minute, because Ngiphile Ngcobo started the last two games, and for me, okay, against Amazulu, he was decent, but against Stellenbosch, he had a very, very poor game, and he was hooked right on half time. So Thabo Cele is going to go back to Tuzi Shabalala, of course. On the right, Hlodi Lilepo. On the left, Pule Modi. And up front, Khanyisa Mayo, still the same front three, front four. Flavio Silva didn't travel with the squad. I don't know if maybe he hasn't fully recovered, or it's just based on performance and his work in training. Chiosai Kotaro also didn't make the traveling squad. So yeah, this is the team I believe the coaches are gonna pick, and I think it's good enough to get us a result. I think this team is good enough to get us a result. Of course, it's not a must-win game. A draw wouldn't be a bad result. Especially if it's a goal-scoring draw. The away goal rule still applies. So yeah, I think it's a game we should try to win. Obviously, we are Kaizer Chiefs. We should go out there and try to win every game. But even if we get a draw with a good performance, I won't complain. Smash a like. Let me know your thoughts down on the comment section. Thanks for watching. I'm out.